Hey developers, this is Bruce. Tired of seeing empty tofu boxes and question marks when generating Hindi or Chinese PDF in Laravel? No problem. At our Technology Hub, we build for global audience. Today I am showing you how to fix that under 90 seconds. First, let's go from zero. Create a fresh project and install Bearwith Laravel PDF. Version 3.1 is the key here because it handles modern HTML5 much better. Publish your config and you are ready to code. Standard fonts fail on Unicode. For the ARC standard, use SimHei for Chinese and Noto for Hindi. Drop the TTF files in your storage folder and define them in your Blade CSS using font base. Don't forget to enable the is HTML5 parser enable option in your controller. Pro tip for deployment: on Windows or local, it works instantly, but on a Linux VPS, you must create a storage font folder and run this command: chmod -r 775. If dompdf can't write its font cache, your production site will crash. Always check your permissions first. From real-time bidding with Socket.io to custom SEO panel and dynamic payment switching, we solve the complex hurdles other agencies avoid. At our Technology Hub, we provide international consultancy and rapid POC for your most ambitious ideas. I have put a blog link in the description with a detailed explanation. If you need a global Laravel partner to scale your vision, let's talk. Follow our Technology Hub for more engineering deep dives.